here, and today I'm going to show you how to finger knit. So we're going to make a chain or a small scarf, and all you'll need is yarn and scissors. So let's get started. So let's go ahead and get started with our finger knitting. You'll need your yarn and your fingers. So first start by finding an end to your yarn and hold this end to your hand with your thumb like this. And make sure there's some extra hanging down. And now we can get started on our finger knitting. So you're going to take your yarn and wrap it behind your pointer finger, in front of your next finger, behind and in front. And go back around, so behind your pinky, in front, behind, in front, like this. And make sure you don't do this too tight because we're going to be pulling the bottom layer up and over our fingers. And make sure you keep the layers separated. So this is going to be the first layer. So go ahead and do another layer. So go behind, in front, behind, in front, and wrap around again, behind, in front, behind, in front. Here we go. And now start pulling. So start from here and pull the bottom layer up and over. And continue on. Make sure you keep this separated. And pull. And pull. And this is our first layer of finger knitting. So go ahead and keep doing layers. So over, under, over, under, over, under, over, under. Here we go. And keep pulling the bottom layer over. And keep pulling the second layer down. Over, under, over, under, over, under, over, under. Over, under, over, under, over, under, over, under. We can see that it's starting to get longer. Over, under, over, under. And if you ever need to take a break, you can take the circles off of your fingers and use a placeholder like a pencil. And there we go. Here's my finger knitting. And now to end it, you start with the side you started from, and you bring it over and put it on top of your next finger. And bring the bottom up and over, and take this one and put it over your next finger, and bring the bottom up and over, And then bring this one to your next finger. And bring the bottom up and over. And you have this last circle that was on your pinky. And take your ending string and lace it through. And pull it nice and tight. And there you go. There's your finger knitting. To finish off your finger knitting, you can take your scissors and cut off these extra pieces. Now you have your chain or scarf. Here's my finished scarf. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye.